In this video presentation, we will assess the circular strategies, business models, and solutions of 3 different companies. The companies operate in different industries and differ also in size and country of origin. By looking at 3 totally different companies, we hope to provide an exhaustive review over different possibilities to approach circular economy. First, we will briefly introduce the companies that we chose to focus on. Then we will go on to describing the business models of the companies and comparing different circular approaches and solutions. Then we will move on to partnerships that support the circularity. After this, we will provide company-specific recommendations on the areas that we think they should improve to be more in line with the principles of circularity. Finally, we will assess the current situation in Finland as a global agent in executing and promoting circular economy. Here are the 3 companies that we chose to focus on. Here is a German transportation startup company that provides people with access to electric city scooters through a mobile platform. The objective of the company is to provide sustainable, easy to use, agile and affordable solutions to urban transportation. The company operates in several European countries, including Finland. Pure Waste is a Finnish company that focuses on minimizing textile waste by finding and utilizing textile streams that would otherwise end up as disposal. It generates and recycles this leftover textile into new products such as fabrics and clothes. The company has a factory in India where it buys and utilizes only local textile waste. Finally, we have Fortum Waste Solution that provides waste and recycling solutions and is part of the Fortum Corporation. It uses latest technology to process plastic waste into recycled plastic. Its operations are located in the Circular Economy Village in Riihimäki in Finland, but it operates in the Nordic countries. In addition to waste processing, the company is a supplier of raw materials. Next, we will move on to the business models of the companies. Here's business model represents a sharing platform. It follows the principles of circular economy as the service is based on the idea that customers only use the scooters when they need them and pay for it accordingly, then leaving them for others to use. This kind of shared and collective consuming guarantees that the scooters are in more efficient use compared to those that are privately used and most of the time unutilized. Next, we have Pure Waste. The business model of Pure Waste is based on selling products that are made from recycled materials, as well as in selling the fabrics and yarns sewed at their own manufacturing site in India. The company's business model relates to circularity through its recovery and recycling business model. Fortum Waste Solutions. The company's service model has diversified along with the expansion of its operations from waste processing to raw material supply. The key activities for Fortum Waste Solutions are optimizing the life cycle of plastic waste and creating a sustainable quality products, engaging customers and society to taking more ecological actions, and offering recycling solutions and consultation. From our point of view, all of these business models are well aligned with the principles of circular economy. Their objective is to minimize waste and promote and utilize circular solutions. Perhaps the most aligned company is Pure Waste because its business model is focused purely on waste management, while, for example, Fortune Waste Solutions offers also raw material services.
Next, we're moving on to the circular solutions of the companies in more detail and start with Tier. Tier uses a shared platform in a mobile application which provides the access to use of the e-scooters. When the scooters aren't purchased or owned by individuals, but rather shared and used when needed, it enables collective consuming. Tier's circular solution can also be seen as a product as a service when the scooters are owned by the company and leased or rented to the consumers. Other circular solutions Tier is using are product life extension and product repair and material recycling. Tier is offering a second life for disused scooters by selling them on MyTier website to consumers, and their products, recyclable materials and spare parts are actually obtained from decommissioned scooters to repair those that go back to use. The remaining materials are handed to recycling partners. In their operations, Tier contributes to circular and sustainable models by favoring renewable energy. It is also renewing some of its operations, for example, logistics, by changing to electric vehicles. Pure Waste then again achieves recycling and resource efficiency by extending the product value by remanufacturing textile waste. They also extend the product's life by designing the product's fabrics and yarns in a way that can be recirculated later. Pure Waste has a take-back system when the company takes returns of their products from customers and uses these as test materials in their research and development projects. They also contribute to product repair by supporting the repair possibilities through garment care. As well as here, also Pure Waste uses renewable energy by favoring wind power in their operations. Fortune Waste Solutions then again is an essential part of the circular economy cycle when it comes to managing the whole recycling chain. This includes sorting of waste plastics, washing, and also compounding. In more detail, they offer services in environmental management and material efficiency, including recycling, reutilization, and final disposal solutions. In addition to this, it offers also soil remediation and environmental construction services. The recycling includes mainly consumer plastic packaging waste, but also industrial and commercial plastic waste. The new raw material the company produces from the consumer plastic packaging waste is called Fortum Circo. It can be used to several different causes and recycled even up to 10 times. From Fortum Waste Solutions, companies can also buy waste collection and management services and solutions. Also, cities use Fortum Waste Solutions help in solving challenges sustainably and building a circular economy. Next, we're moving on to the main partners and collaborations of the companies. Tier has established a partnership with Climate Partner, which has helped the company to identify crucial factors in reducing emissions and engaging in activities that promote ecological sustainability, and established an executive plan to carry out these actions. Through an established partnership with Okai, Tier has been able to develop more durable e-scooters with longer lifespan. It has also other recycling partners who take care of proper recycling of scooter parts. In addition to these main partners, Tier has placed particular focus on improving collaboration with local agents, especially with municipalities and public transportation providers. For example, the company has partnered with HSL, which is the public transportation agency of the city of Helsinki in Finland, to provide centralized transportation services. Pure Waste collaborates with various partners such as local textile industries and recycling partners, and also municipal waste companies. It also collaborates with printing designers that the company uses for printing the designs to their products. In terms of delivering products to consumers, Pure Waste cooperates with different logistics companies. Other collaborations include clothing brands, consulting firms, and other cooperation networks that are aiming at promoting the sustainable production. Perhaps the most important partner for Fortum Waste Solutions is Finnish Plastic Recycling Ltd. It is the official producer organization for plastic packaging, whose task is to be responsible for the implementation of the legal packaging producer responsibility of more than 2,500 companies. The main tasks include organizing a collection and recycling network for plastic packaging and promoting the recyclability of packaging. It also organizes the collection network and recycling of plastic packaging for Fortum Waste Solutions and transports them to their processing facility in Riihimäki. In addition to this main partner, Fortum Waste Solutions also cooperates with different cities and their waste management systems. All these three companies can be seen to have formed strong partnerships with local actors, which contributes to the spread of circular economy principles.
Next, we will provide recommendations for each company which we think would improve their businesses towards the principles of circular economy. From our point of view, Tier could support the afterlife of decommissioned and sold scooters by providing maintenance and buyback services for individual scooter owners. Additionally, they could utilize different waste streams for the material efficiency when it comes to building parts for the scooter. Tier could improve as well the recycling efficiency for their batteries. There are companies such as Fortum that has solutions for efficient lithium recycling technology, which via collaborations with other companies could develop the company towards circularity even more. When it comes to Pure Waste, we see that the company is responding to the waste problem around their manufacture. This supports the local waste management and the environmental impact. Hence, company's sustainability strategy is to manufacture new products from textile waste. They are still located in a high-risk country when thinking about the social responsibility. Pure Waste is employing around 60 people in India, which is improving the local labor situation. Hence, Pure Waste is selling its products in Finland and through online. The company could provide consulting to the Finnish networks on how to produce their yarns and fabrics sustainably. Additionally, Pure Waste could further enhance circularity in their businesses by finding ways how to utilize the textile waste that occurs already in Finland. When it comes to Fortum Waste Solutions, the company could build more recycling villages for the plastic waste management in Finland. By not transporting the waste abroad, the company could reduce the carbon footprint in this way. Additionally, Fortum has released the new lithium recycling technology, which would help the rapidly growing demand for electric cars and battery materials. By cooperating across sectors and with other companies, Fortum could consult the others in the business circularity in the future. This solution could be essential, for example, for Tier. Next, we will continue how circular economy appears in Finland. Finland has been listed as a front runner in circular economy. In 2016, the world's first roadmap towards circular economy was released, and it made other countries to follow Finland as well in these steps. The foundation of the roadmap is to develop the services, the resource efficiency, the recycling system of products, low emission and digital solutions. Finland is coping to circular economy by maintaining various research projects, funding and supporting new innovation and green solutions. Despite the fact that circular economy is not only about the recycling, still, for example, Palpa system is a great example how to encourage people to recycle plastic bottles. Hence, without even thinking it, people comply the principles of circular economy this way. Despite the fact that Finland is a pioneer country in circular economy, in our opinion, social functions need change as well, such as information and guidance on circular solutions, encouraging, rewarding, and creating incentives to promote circularity and making it easy as possible to everyone. Governments and cities should create more different kind of conditions to circular economy as well, and not only follow the EU legislations and measures such as Green Deal, yet these make the changes happen internationally. What we believe is that more collaboration across different sectors, institutions and companies as well collaborating among municipal waste companies are needed. All in all, we believe that structural changes are needed. The education system should be geared even more towards the topics of circular economy and the environmental issues. Additionally, there should exist more initiative approach by the government and cities in creating incentives that promote circular economy. We believe that the more we make changes in the cultures of consumption, routines, beliefs, customs, and assumptions, the better we will make the transition toward the greater circularity. Thank you.